Oh God, welcome back to our reaction channel. And if you're just seeing this channel for the first time, let me officially welcome you. Over here, we react to funny clips compiled from TikTok. So basically, we just laugh and have a good time. So if you want to be part of the family, part of the gang, subscribe and hit the notification icon somewhere, and so you can get notified whenever we upload new videos up on here. We upload videos every day, so make sure to do that and join the family and enjoy some laughter. We've reacted last time. We did funny animal videos from TikTok. So I want to continue from there for sure. We want to react to more funny videos from TikTok, from animal TikTok on TikTok. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. We're on our way to 500. We are 451. Let's get to 500 subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing. Let's go straight into the video, man. Ouch. No way, bro. How did that one get stuck in between in the flowers? How is that even possible? He tried to jump across or what? That's crazy. No, 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 no. Oh, okay. Hey, yo, at first I thought they were all dogs, bro. I swear. Yo, at first I thought they were all pets. And I saw, oh, wait, these are two little cute human babies. And this one in between them. Yo, that's crazy. Damn. The dog is the most excited. Hey, yo, wait, hold on. Did y'all see the dog's dick? Yeah, what the fuck?
Katy,
What
¿qué te pasó?
what is this? Was that a dog?
Oh my god.
Oh,
Oh my
that's
god.
nice. Someone need to sample this sound. It would be a dope. It would be dope for music. They could sample that sound, bro. That's crazy. Animals are so weird. Animals are so weird, bro. Even humans are weird as well. But animals are so weird, bro. Why would you take your dog to a gym, first of all? Is that allowed in the US? Don't touch me.
There he is.
You're not eating.
for Jesus out of me.
Get down.
Oh, it's so cute.
Really? A rat?
Carla, what are you doing? Why are you doing this?
Because I hate you.
Friend is how you ride your bike with your pet chicken. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
Well, Dan, it's a good thing you came into my office today, because it looks like you
What
got
is he
quite a bit
doing
of
there?
cavities in here.
Ooh.
Was that on video?
Ah, that's my finger.
No, like you be nice. That's daddy's friend. Let him pet you.
Damn. Oh, hell nah, bruh. Hell nah, bruh. I hate cats, man. I hate cats, bruh. Oh, shit.
Clark, do you have my water bottle? Can I have it, please? I'm gonna drop it.
Go! Pretty cold. Bro, what? Bro, what? What? What are you doing there? Why are you there?
I'm working. Hey, I'm working.
Оля, блин. Да все. Что, уже ничего не сделаешь. Уже все.
Are you mad?
What was that?
Patient. Oh, patient.
What in the world do you do with these dogs? I heard they were all about your personal space, but this is unreal. She has a whole seat with a blanket and a chew toy, and look where she's riding.
Are you ready?
No. And the mom is just there looking at him. Oh my god, bro. No, I won't. No, you do it. Yeah. No matter how many times you ask, I won't take the trash out. Nah, bro. It's the way he positions his face before he. What do you call it? Blitz. Before he does that, bro. It's the way he positions his face. That's funny. Oh shit, bro. Oh my days. That ain't my son. Hello. Papa, papa, papa. 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 See, it's being clean. Is that a massage?
Alarm is going off. She just called me, freaked out. Oh my God, Titan! Oh my God, Titan! What you do, Bear? Titan.
Nah, that's fucked up. That's a pig invasion. That's a pig invasion right there.
I don't have food. I don't have food. Yes, you do.
Nah, monkeys are bastards, bro. A bird's eye view. That's crazy. Oh. Is that a rat? That's a rat, right? How big is the rat? Damn. Oh, hell
May.
no,
Hey.
bruh.
You've got to be kidding me.
He doesn't want to.
Gibby, come on. Let's go.
Oh my god.
Listen.
Some pets are just evil. Some pets are just evil, bruh. Be it dogs, cats. Some pets are just pure evil. Like, that's a dog. Ain't no way that's a dog, bruh. Ain't no way that's a dog. Looks more like a kangaroo. Ain't no way that's a dog. It's a dog. Oh my god, that's a llama. This is the first time I've actually seen a llama. Like, the first time I ever saw a llama was on the cartoon. I forgot what his name was. The emperor who became a llama or something, whatever. This is the first time I'm actually seeing like a llama, and not even in real life, like on TV. That's crazy. That's a llama. Ooh.
Looking casa não. Olha quantos.
That's the hardest thing I've seen. Oh yeah. I'll try and what if he stays like that and he just farts in your face? How would you feel?
You gonna pat him, are you? You gonna give him a little high five, are we? They're coming in for the face. What are you gonna do? And again. Nothing. You can't freeze when a burglar comes into the house. Let's go. What are you gonna do? They're in your face. What are you gonna do? Whoa!
It's a family of skunk. Oh my gosh! Look at them, they're crossing the street! Oh my gosh! Oh, are you serious? It's right here. Look. Touching you. No, over here.
Now I'm lying on the cold, hard ground. Oh, oh, trouble, trouble, troubled.
What the fuck is this? Yo.
Oh, we got another poopy.
These animal videos are so funny, bro. How did you get in the street? What is going on with these animals? Why would you do this? Oh. You want to smash him out, but he's like, I can't even beat you up. You are not scared? Are you not scared?
Just go scratch me.
man, we've come to the end of the video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed that one. This one was a bit funny. I liked some part in this one. That's crazy. Oh, my cheeks hurt from laughing so much. That's crazy. Um, yeah, I hope I hope y'all enjoyed this one, man. And I'll see you guys on the other on I'll see you guys next time, man. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And have a nice one. Till next time. Bye. On God.